Hello guys, welcome to this Weblogic application server series. In this we are just going to see about how to set up environment variables uh, for Weblogic. Okay, so, uh, so we'll just see about it. Okay, so by default, just first I need to access Java. Java is not there in my class path, that's why it's throwing this error. As we already know, we have installed Weblogic along with Java. You can just verify that over here. So by default, JDK 1.6 version is installed. So I'm just going inside that. I want the particular path to be available in my class path. So I need to create a Java home variable. So you can just see it. I already done this. I just commented this out to demonstrate this. And some other things, some other variables which we need to expose is Oracle home and WebLogic home and domain home things, because that will be easier for us to navigate around different directories, because basically as a WebLogic administrator generally navigate through a set of directories, and if you make those variables as an environment variables, then it will be easier for us to navigate between various sections. Okay, that is one thing. And next thing is, maybe if you want to automate something, then you might access WebLogic WLST console. So you have to access WebLogic WLST console, something like this. Okay, you'll be accessing it something like this. Otherwise, you have to pass your WebLogic jar that need to be available in your class path. So we'll do it one after another. Okay, first I will just expose Java home. Okay, so I'll just go to end of my line. I'll just expose this, and I'll just expose my list of binaries in the Java home. So I'll just do this, and I will recompile my bash OS. Okay, okay, I just done it, so my Java should work now. So it's not right, yeah. So now I just trying to execute the WLST, but it will not work. It will throw this no class found exception. Okay, so because WLogic.jar should be there in your class path, not in path. It should be in class path. Okay, so I'm just going back again. Okay, just going back again, and I'll just include this one more line. What I just done is I just telling WebLogic home there is a folder called server, there is a folder called lib. Inside that there is a WebLogic.jar. Please make that particular jar to be available in the class path. So I need WebLogic home too. Okay. So compile it again. Now try to run this again. Okay, it should work. Okay. So we are able to access the WebLogic WLST console, whatever we created. Okay. Now while we will see how to connect to it, how to create a managed service using WLST, how to create data sources using WLST, how to automate a domain creation, those things. Okay. But before that, we will just finish off this particular session with a couple of more variables to be enabled. Okay. Now you can navigate to WebLogic home if you want. Okay, you are in the WebLogic home. Okay. Similarly, if I want to move to domain home, if there is a variable called domain or something, it will be easier for me, right? So I just want to enable a couple of variables from administration perspective, and more it will be also needed in the scripts. Okay, so I'm commenting this. So I need Java home, and I specified Oracle home. I mentioned both Oracle home and middle home same because I'm maintaining both the same. But in real-time applications, you might have different folders for Oracle home and middleware home, and WebLogic home and domain home. Okay, so I just enable some of the handy variables. So save it now and just recompile it again. Now you can navigate between your directories. So you are in domain directory, you are in, now you can navigate to WebLogic home, you can navigate to middleware home, you can navigate between whatever home it is. Okay, whatever you expose there, it will be available. So that will be easier for us. Okay, these are the list of important environment variables, path and class path things that need to be available in your bash or C if you are using Linux. Otherwise, you have to do it in your set environment variables if you are using Windows. Okay, these things you have to do. I hope you will like the session, guys. See you in the next session. Okay, bye bye. See you.